Welcome, students. Let's look at the structure of a flame. If you closely observe the flame of a candle, you will see that it's not the one layered structure. If you observe it closely, you will see that the centermost part of the flame is a kind of blackish in color. If you look at the center part, which is majority part, here this part appears yellowish in color. And if you closely look at the outer part, this one, it's slightly bluish in color. So based on this, the structure of flame is divided into three layers: outer zone, middle zone, and innermost zone. What you need to do is take the copper wire or any other metal wire, just put that wire in such a way that some part is in the middle and other part is in the outer zone, like this. You can keep it like this and keep it in this way for some time, and after that observe what happens to the wire, and you will see that the part which is in the outer zone, this part, is max hot. That means it's maximum hot, it becomes red hot. What does that proves? This proves that this portion of flame is the hottest one. This portion, this is the hottest one, because wire which is in the middle part, this, it does not become red hot. This proved that the outer part has the highest temperature. Now, if you look at the three zones of flame, you will find that the outer zone is bluish in color. But yes, if you look from very far, outer part is not visible. But if you look at it very closely, you can see the outline of flame bluish or purplish in color. Middle zone is the most visible zone. That is the uh, luminous zone, which is yellowish in color. This is the luminous zone and it's yellowish in color, and the inner zone is blackish in color. Now, when you talk about the temperature, the outer zone is the hottest, it has the highest temperature. Middle zone is moderately hot, and inner zone is least hot. Outer zone has temperature as high as 600 degrees Celsius, and the outer zone is called non-luminous zone because it does not produce a lot of light, whereas the middle zone is called luminous zone. And yeah, the outermost part, which is the non-luminous zone, complete combustion takes place there. That is why a lot of heat is produced in the outer zone. In the middle zone, partial combustion takes place, and that is why it's moderately hot. While as in inner zone, it contains the unburnt wax vapors. That means no burning is actually happening there. Only the unburnt particles are staying there. That is why it's the least hot. That is why you would have seen that whenever flame is used for heating purposes, outer layer of flame, this outer layer of flame is being used for heating objects, for example for melting tough metals like silver, gold, in order to make jewelry. They need to be given desired shapes, so we do that by heating them. And for doing this, goldsmith made use of outer zone of the flame. So this is the layered structure of a flame.